Alright, so what are like terms? Well, Mr. Legendarius and I will show you. Let's get right to it. Alright, so what are like terms? Well, like terms are these. 2x plus 3x plus 4x. That was y, let's make it an x. 4x plus, basically, yeah. Anyway, so the thing about that is that, think about like terms that you can add them. So we'll get to that later. Basically, this is a like term, like term, like term. So those are one kind of like terms. These are also like terms. Just y by itself is a like term because it's basically it's an invisible coefficient of 1 there. 1 times anything is itself. We learned that already. So yeah. Basically, these are all like terms. Anything, so -3xy, 3xy, anything with the same variables and the same exponents on the variables is a like term. So, sweet. Anyway, let's get back to this Vine video now.
Hey, you want to go see a movie at 6? My hamster died when I was 6.
See, when I see Vine videos, people are like getting real depressed and stuff, and they're like, oh, like over nothing. Like that is always funny. And like, it happened so long ago, like your drill went out when you were 6, you're probably at least 16 now. You should get over it, man. And, well, I mean, sometimes people really have problems with depression and stuff, and that's a serious thing. But, I don't know, it's just imagining that someone not having depression, having that, something like that, is very funny because they shouldn't. So, anyway, let's get back to what are like terms and how to add like terms. Okay, so we have 2x plus 3x plus 4x. Well, the thing is that say we wanted to add them together. Well, here's what we do. So, first off, we remember the distributive property, which is x times y plus z equals xy plus xz. Well, basically, you do it the same way. You can also say that through another, I think it's multiplicative, I don't know what it's called, but you can say that this also equals yx plus zx, because it doesn't matter which order you multiply things in, it's the same thing. So basically, now what we could say is that this looks like that happened to it a long time ago, and now something like this happened to it and it turned into that. So what do we do now? Well, I'm going to show you a little bit.
Hey, Grandma. Hey, baby. Have you eaten? No, I haven't eaten anything today.
And I know my mom is like that a lot. Whenever I don't eat enough food at my meals, or whether I don't eat enough food like when she's not around, she gets like that. She's like, oh no, poor son. And that's just how it goes. Like, I used to think I'm fine, but sometimes, like, food is a very important thing to eat. You have to eat your food, especially your healthy food. And that's just how it goes. If you don't eat food, then you're going to die, eventually. And that's how it goes. So eventually you have to eat food every once in a while. And that's about it. Now let's go back to math. Okay, so the distributive property says, let's turn off this light, that the distributive property says that x times y plus z is equal to yx plus zx. Well, wouldn't it also be true that this not only goes from here, also can go back to here? So, we look at the numbers, look at the like terms, have the same variable in there, and we just stick it outside. So, take that outside of the parentheses and put it back, put the other coefficients, the coefficient term of the coefficient variables back in. And so now let's apply that to here. So what we want to do is we want to say, okay, we have 2x plus 3x plus 4x. Well, now what we want to do is we want to turn that into this. So what we do is we say, okay, we put the x outside, and then we add 2 plus 3 plus 4. We can add those together. What's 2 plus 2 plus 4? That's 9. So we got x times 9 or 9x. Okay, that's about it. So thank you for watching, and I'll conclude real shortly. Okay, so thank you for watching again, and I'm really looking forward to future videos that I make that are coming out soon, and they're going to have a lot of math in them, a lot of fun in them, so please subscribe to see those. And that's about it. Peace.